In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a productive to-do list in Slack, a real-time saver that will help you manage your tasks efficiently. Slack is not just for communication, it's a powerful tool for organizing your daily tasks if used correctly. So let's dive into transforming your Slack workspace into an organized productivity hub. First up, let's create a dedicated channel for your to-dos. Open Slack and create a private channel. Name this channel something straightforward and identifiable like hashtag to do or hashtag personal tasks. This channel will act as your personal place for logging all your tasks. Why private? Privacy ensures these tasks are only visible to you, helping you keep your focus sharp and distractions minimal. Once the channel is set up, start posting your tasks. Each task should be a separate message. By doing this, you keep your task displayed in a straightforward manner, easy to scroll through and manage. It turns the channel into a task list where you can add, edit, or remove entries seamlessly. Next, let's talk about pinning important tasks. Pinning allows you to prioritize tasks and create a clear visual hierarchy of what's most important. To pin a task, hover over the task message in your channel and click on More Actions. This is the three dots you see on the message toolbar. Then select Pin to Channel. By pinning, you make critical tasks easy to find. They stay at the top of the channel, making sure nothing crucial slips through the cracks. This simple move turns your channel into a neatly arranged priority board. Finally, leverage Slack's reminder feature to ensure you never forget a task. Reminders act as your personal assistant within Slack, nudging you when tasks are due. To set up a reminder, simply type the command /remind me to followed by the task you need to remember at a specific time. For example, remind me to finish report tomorrow at 10 a.m. Press enter and voila. Slackbot will send you a direct message when it's time to get that task done. It's an easy yet effective way to keep you on track and accountable, reminding you just when you need it. By setting up a dedicated channel, pinning your priorities, and utilizing the reminder feature, you now have a robust to-do list inside Slack that keeps you organized and on top of your tasks. This method not only saves time, but also enhances focus, making sure each task is attended to at the right time. Those are the steps to transforming Slack into your very own productivity powerhouse. Thanks for watching and